This was me last year. My best friend's PC died overnight. No warning, no mercy, and the worst part is I caused it all. It turns out as making some deadly mistakes. Mistakes you might be making as well. And in this video, I reveal the biggest mistakes that are silently destroying your computer and how to fix them before it's too late. Meet my friend's PC. I ignored the dust until the fan started sounding like a jet engine. And one day, I'm slapped with this blue screen of death. Why? The dust had choked my airflow, it had cooked my CPU, and turned that little guy into some real litter. Now you should understand that this dust is the enemy of your PC. It turns your PC into an overheating disaster waiting to happen. Over time, this excess heat weakens your CPU and GPU. What that does is shorten their lifespan. I learned that the hard way, and now I clean my PC every 3 months. It's so satisfying to see that the temperatures actually dropped to 20 degrees Celsius. Now, you don't have to do exactly that, but you can clean your PC every 3 to 6 months and strictly using compressed air. Grab yourself a blower. Don't use things like hair dryers. And for laptops, use a cooling pad to improve the airflow. There's this stream I know, no real name, so I guess I'll use Tita to refer to him. Tita learned the hard way, mining crypto 24/7, Friday's brand new GPU in under 6 months. Guys, your PC isn't a workhorse. It's like a race car. You push it too hard and you'll cause permanent damage. Running your PC at full load all the time might seem fine to most of you, but it's actually not. Know that overworked components wear out faster, and excessive heat can severely damage your motherboard. It could damage your CPU and GPU as well. Trust me, you don't want to have your motherboard damaged. You want to monitor the temperatures of your PC and know the safe limit, and to do that, make use of software like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner. They'll help keep it below 65 degrees Celsius. Then try closing background apps that drain your CPU and GPU power. Imagine losing 6 months of work because you yanked the power cord. For shutting down corrupt files, and once they are gone, they are gone. If you shut down your PC often, then you have to know that every time you do that, your system doesn't get to save some important files properly. This can lead to boot errors or, worst case scenario, permanent damage. Never touch the power button. Instead, do this. Shut down properly via the start menu. It's not that hard. Or if your PC freezes, then try Ctrl-Alt-Delete to instantly go to the lock screen, and from there you can safely shut down. One of the biggest regrets you could get in life as a computer user is saving $50 on a no-name power supply unit. Chances are it will shatter and take your GPU with it. The power supply unit is the heart of your PC. So a cheap and low-quality PSU can fail under load. I mean, what do you expect? It's cheap, so it could send voltage spikes, or even worse, it could fry your motherboard. Do yourself a favor and invest in trusted PSU brands. You could also use surge protectors or UPS to prevent the power surges. You don't want to lose every photo of the good memories in your life without a warning. Now, I'll tell you something. That hard disk drive or SSD of yours, trust me, it won't last forever. And if you don't monitor its health, one day you might wake up to a completely dead drive with all your digital memories gone forever. So what should you do? Monitor your SSD or HDD health with tools like CryptoDisk Info, and always backup. Backup important files using cloud storage or an external drive. Meet Ben on My Big Brother. Ben had his old MacBook's battery ballooned, and one of his bad habits was never unplugging it. So if you do the same, then you need to hear this. Keeping your laptop plugged in all the time doesn't allow its battery to fully discharge, and this This causes your battery to degrade real quick or may even lead to ballooning, just like poor Benon's MacBook battery. Now, if you don't want that to happen, you want to unplug when fully charged and do not plug in until it has discharged to around 40 to 60%. For long use, you can keep the charge levels between 40 to 80% to preserve lifespan. A year ago, I killed my best friend's PC, and today I've got 0 crashes, 0 panic. So if you've been making any of these mistakes, it's not too late to fix them. So tell me in the comments, which mistake are you fixing first? Subscribe for more PC tips and don't forget to like the video if this helped. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.